Oh my goodness, it's more fees. We're gonna get right into it. No introduction. I got this on my mind and I wanted to show you exactly what fees are you gonna be charged if you move your Shiba Inu from any of these exchanges here to the actually platform like Shiba Swap or to your Coinbase wallet, your MetaMask, or even your Wallet Connect. My name is Adam Shelton. Let's go ahead and dive into this. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, this is what it will charge you from moving it over. The first one I'm going to show you is going to be the Crypto.com. Now, Crypto.com, it's going to cost you 5 million sheep. So you already knew about that. 5 million sheep to move over from Crypto.com to anywhere, really. And so basically, if you're using Crypto.com, you're trying to move it to one of the 3 wallets, a Wallet Connect, MetaMask. Training's coming up soon, so be lookout for that video. Also, your Coinbase wallet and also your Trust wallet. So yeah, your Trust wallet. So yes. So basically, what I'm saying is the fees. I'm not trying to discourage you. I just want to give you the information because this channel is for the people, and I'm feeling your pain. I mean, everybody doesn't have a big budget and saying, well, it's only 5 million sheep. Everybody takes that differently. To me, I'm long term, so it doesn't affect me as much. But if I was short term, it would. So 5 million sheep is going to cost you from moving from Crypto.com to basically anywhere like Coinbase wallet or MetaMask or something like that. Now, this information here may not be completely accurate, so take it from a grain of salt. It may not be completely accurate because I know some of these platforms have made some changes, but I just want to give you a little bit of a rundown. Like KuCoin. KuCoin, look at that. It takes 2 million sheep to move over from KuCoin to basically anywhere. So exchange fees. You got Binance is almost to look like almost 2 million sheep to move your Binance Shiba Inu from Binance to Coinbase wallet, MetaMask, or anything like that. Gate.io, look at that, only 690,000 looks like. So these may not be completely accurate. We might have to go to the exchange and just basically, confirm it. But I found this website. I wanted to show it to you right now. So CoinEx is 580,000 sheep. That's the fee. So if you're just joining us right now, this is the SHIB fee to moving your Shiba Inu from these exchanges to a wallet or even to another exchange. So you got CoinEx, 580,000. You got Polynox. It's going to cost you this. That's not too bad. Oh no, okay. 428,000. Okay. Then you have this one here. Is only looks like this is not that much. Well, yeah, it is. I ain't gonna sugarcoat this. Man, if you moving 2 million sheep, it's gonna make you thinking. I'm telling you, just thinking about it. But if you long term at this thing, it may not affect you as much. But if you short term, I understand. I definitely understand. Or if you have a budget, I definitely understand it as well. And so you got HIT BTC, it costs you this much. BW costs you this much. You got L Bank. I heard of L Bank. It costs you this much. Now Voyager's not on here. I believe Voyager, I think it's 2 million sheep for Shiba Inu fee from moving from that exchange to like a wallet that Shiba Swap accepts. So Voyager, I'm going to do a video on how to move your Voyager Shiba Inu to an actually Coinbase wallet or MetaMask. So stay tuned for that video as well. But I just wanted to show you this. I wanted to zoom in, get right into it. These are some of the fees, and I'm also going to show you how to avoid these fees in the future. I understand your Shiba Inu is probably on one of these exchanges or Crypto.com, which is 5 million. Mine was on Crypto.com. I'll be transparent. You see it right there. Mine was on Crypto.com. I had majority of my stuff was on Crypto.com, and I paid the price. I paid the price of moving over because I see the value of the Shiba Swap. So Binance is 2 million and your KuCoin is 2 million, and that's what a lot of people are on as well. Now, how you can solve this problem in the future, it's nothing we can do about it right now. Yes, you can hold your Shiba Inu right on these exchanges. You don't have to move it. So matter of fact, you do not have to move. You can keep it on any of these exchanges or your current exchange, and then you make the decision. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is not financial advice. I'm just giving you the information, and then you make that decision. For me, I got it off these exchanges. That's just me, because I want to take advantage of the Shiba Swap. And you go to shibaswap.com, and this is how I buy them now. I buy straight through the Shiba Swap. So how to buy, I click there, and then it says if I want to buy SHIB, buy leash, or buy bone, I just follow these prompts here. So let's say I'm trying to buy SHIB, or SHIB, or Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu. Yes, and this is avoid paying those exchange fees. This will avoid paying those exchange fees. So the first thing you want to do, you're going to get to a swap area, and you want to connect to your wallet. So Coinbase wallet, and connect to there. And then the next thing is, now is look at that balance. That means we had something on there. So if I go, I'll even show you because we're transparent. I try to do these videos for what you're thinking about. You know, what you're thinking about, what you need help on. I be transparent. This is a different channel that you're gonna find anywhere else, because I'm doing things what I think you're thinking about, because that's what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about fees. I'm thinking about the best way of using my investment, not financial advice. And I'm trying to find where should I bury or dig, or should I swap? I'm thinking the things that you may be thinking about. And because I understand, I'm in it with you. I'm in it with you. So Ethereum, we only have, let me check it out. $28, $28.74. So for a prime example, I could take this Ethereum and I can swap it for Shiba or anything else that the platform allows me to do. So if I go to here, and this is how I buy my Shiba now. I swap, or my bone, or even my leash. If I'm trying to buy leash or bone, I just use the Shiba Swap. That's what I do. And so I go here, let's say I want SHIB, and then I can say, let's say I'm gonna do maximum of the Ethereum. I bring this back, and okay. And this is what I do. I just swap it, I confirm it, and we're good to go. That's how I buy it. So let's go ahead and confirm this. I'm gonna confirm. So I'm gonna confirm this, confirm on the phone. This is how I buy my Shiba Inu now. And either Coinbase wallet or MetaMask. I use the MetaMask too. I use all three of them. But the Coinbase wallet is my favorite, but I do have trainings over those other two as well. So stay tuned for those. Now look at this. It's giving me a minor fee. Now remember, the best time to do this is gonna be later at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and pay that. Wasn't that much actually. Wasn't that much today. The fees wasn't that much today. Woof. And there you go. So now I've got some Shiba. I got some Shiba. And you see that? No fees. No, I didn't, exchange fees. There was no necessary exchange fees from doing it that way. And if I go back here, this should load up soon. Now this should load up here momentarily. And then from here, I can do whatever I need to do. And right here, it says, all right, it's good to go. I swap Ethereum to SHIB. And see, here's the thing. If I go back here, see, I avoid being charged. I avoid buying it on Binance and then transfer over to Shiba Swap. I avoid buying it on KuCoin. No offense, I like these actually exchanges. I do. I use these exchanges. I'm just saying, if you're trying to save on fees, and if you're trying to save on SHIB fees, and your budget is low, and this is a short-term type of strategy for you, you may want to consider just buying it straight from here. So let me go ahead and see if it's been loaded up. It takes a few minutes for it to load up and be confirmed. Confirmed. So that's what I'm changing. That's the reason why I'm doing this video. And check it out here. It has been confirmed. We have that many Shiba Inu. It looks like a little bit over 1 million Shiba Inu. And from here, I can do whatever I want. So I can go ahead and stake it. Probably I'm gonna go ahead and bury it. So that's probably what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna bury it. I'm gonna bury it, confirm on my phone. Look on here. It's only $4. Look at this. It's only $4. I'll take that. I'll take $4. That's not bad. $4 is not bad. And you see the whole process. All I'm doing is I'm just going to bear it all. I'm just building up my Shiba Inu stack in burying mode. And so now what it's doing is pending, just like we've done in several of the videos already. And remember, no fees, no exchange fees, no exchange fees. I really like these exchanges, but I'm telling you, if you have a budget and you don't really have that extra Shiba that you can just give out, I understand. I definitely understand. That's why I'm doing this video. So it is pending right now. So we'll see what happens. And what happens is this value here will go to 0 because this here has not been updated yet. The APY have not been updated yet. And then in 4 days, this will be updated. So I can't wait till 4 days. I'm gonna do a video also about the countdown to, we'll see what happened with the whole Whoopable Bone this week, the Whoopable ETH this week, all that jazz. So we're gonna basically do a countdown on that. And don't worry, don't stress too much about the fees. Don't stress too much about it. Just make a decision. Either you're gonna keep it on one of these platforms or crypto.com or any platform that's not being showed here. Remember, this is not necessarily exact. It may not be, but it gives you a ballpark figure exactly how much Shiba is going to be charged on these. And I just want to give that to you. Now it's still pending here. Check it out. Takes a little while. It could be the volume. It could be anything, you know, but you just got to be patient. Gotta be patient. So anyway, one more thing I wanted to show you is that, oh, haha, there we go. So it's all good. So all good. Let me go. Transaction, the green success. Okay, my last thing I want to show you is this. Take it slow. Actually, I don't want to show you. Just take it slow. So if you are moving this stuff over, if you start moving stuff over, take it slow. If you need any help, just put in the comment line. Maybe we can walk you through some of the steps of how to do this correctly, because we don't want any problems with your type of Shiba Inu. You know what? I understand this is something special to you, so I don't want any problems with this. If you need any help, just reach out and then just take it slow. But going forward, consider, not financial advice, just consider just using this platform, and it's going to be the swapping. Consider using this to get in your Shiba, your Bone, and your leash if you're trying to just buy it outright. If you're trying to buy it outright, look at this. Can you avoid the exchange fees? My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification. I would when you get videos just like this, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. I'll see you on the next video. I got another video that's gonna drop. It's gonna be more of a MetaMask video, so stay tuned for that one. And I can't wait to see you probably in the next, I can't wait to see you tomorrow. I'll see you later.